Hi, I'm Dr. Sal Martingano, board member for the new Florida Chiropractic Society. And as you know, on June 7th and 8th, we're going to be having our first biennium of the season, and that program is going to be just packed with information, with great speakers that you know, and information that you can use in your practice to enhance the educational process. I've been asked to do two presentations. One presentation is a passion of mine called the ADD Forum. I am just up to my you-know-where with psychotropic drugs with children, and it's time that it came to a stop. I give videos, information, amusing information that'll keep you going, but also information that you can use to keep your children away from these psychotropic drugs, especially in our school system. The second presentation is called the Vaccine Forum, where research abounds everywhere. So no holes barred. I tell all, give people the information they need to see what's coming into the future with the vaccine programs and how to avoid them legally in our school system. So you need to be there. This is going to be a fun presentation. I hope to see you and give you the information that you can use in your practice. I have 2 DVDs of one of each that's going to be available that you can use and show in your practice, and I think you'll enjoy it. Thank you.